Alright, welcome to my new channel. So it's brand new, it's only got 4 subscribers. I'm doing research, I want to start a channel, right? I have time on my hands. So I'm researching and found a website called Social Blade. Or an app. So they won't even let me use it till I have 5 subscribers. I only have 4. So then it has YouTube 101 videos. I don't want to say course, I guess, but stream of videos, right? So I was going to go over 19 tips, I guess they give you. And it's kind of what I'll be doing research, kind of figuring out. I know I want to have fun, do drone videos, Lego builds, and getting some ideas from other subscribers or whatnot. Obviously, probably weight loss video series, something like that, and then figure out what I want to do. So I'll go over the 19 things that they recommend, and also I'm going to do a video on vidIQ, and maybe I'll join that. It does more analytical keyword research, see what is popular for people that look on YouTube, that watch videos, etc. So step 1 would be consistent, which I'll probably do 1 video a day if I can, a couple of videos, or maybe once every few days. 2 would be use scheduled uploader. I don't know if that still exists, but I'll look for that. 3 is video quality control, which would be okay, so orientation, I already have that. I have a tripod, I have the Apple XR phone, that's pretty good camera on it. Lighting, I'll have to get lighting, I don't have that. Audio, I'll have to get a microphone, just using the iPhone microphone, etc. So I know becoming popular, personality is a big key. I just saw Mr. Beast did a live stream, had 100,000 streamers, and he gave away Audi R3, I think it was, and he bought his $69 shirt or whatever. So that could be, I'm a funny guy, I'm just kind of being serious for this video, just because I want to do Social Blade, and I just need 1 more subscriber. So if you do subscribe and I get to the 5 subscribers, I can see what Social Blade's about, maybe pay membership or whatever it is, just to see what it has there that could help a new YouTuber. How long does it take? So obviously it's going to take a long time, because I'm just going to do this right now since I'm taking time off work, between jobs, how it is, COVID-19. So, I'll have fun, that's basically what I'm doing. Let's see here. So maybe I'll join meetups if I have time. Set goals to maybe get to 100 subscribers, I guess, would be what you want to do at first. You don't want to set big, lofty goals, is what they say in this one-on-one videos, lesson course thing, whatever they got going on. Then I like what she says, don't give up and you will succeed. I forgot the name of the lady that something Stamps, lady in New York, that has a pretty popular channel now. I want to say Kelly Stamps, and she has 450,000 subscribers, and she's just saying if you don't make it by a year, give up. But I think that even Mr. Beast, it took him 2 years before he started to grow to where he's can make a living off of it. Oh yeah, so video intros, number 7, they say 5-second intro. Teaser, I'm not sure what they mean. I could see a hook, but a teaser. When to monetize, that must be old, because I know you have to have so many watch hours, and then when you monetize it. And then everyone talks about the thumbnails, obviously. That'd be number 9. research more on that. I think I use Canva, and I'll start to get into that. I didn't think that was that important, but it seems like it is. Seems like people don't like to click it. There's not a nice thumbnail, I guess. 10, they say to use social media, but I don't know if that's really necessary. Maybe it is, but I can't see that getting a lot of views to your channel, but possibly if you have a huge social media presence. Oh yeah, I did watch a video of a YouTuber that she had Instagram 20,000 subscribers, and it built her YouTube to 1,000, and she said it got hacked, so that's kind of sucks for her. But obviously no violence, no commercial music, royalty free music you have to use. 13 would be don't bot, but I don't know if anyone would even do botting right now. I mean, maybe back in the day, but I don't know. I wouldn't think that'd be a very smart option. 14, engaged audience, which would probably do that through maybe being funny in the videos or commenting and responding to comments. Ask for subscribers, number 15. All I need is a couple more subscribers just to get to Social Blade, so I can try that out, which would be nice. And then I have a couple plans for videos. I want to do some drone videos. I got like a $500 drone, Maverick Mini, I think it is. So I'm out traveling for work, but the job ended, so I don't have it on me. But I'm gonna get that. And I'm going to do some drone videos. This is what I wanted to do with the YouTube channel too. And I got a friend's farm that I can do some pretty good footage out there. The end slate's number 16. I don't know if that's still an option to let you do that or not. And where you put like a link to your other videos on the last part of your video. 17 would be turning comments into conversations. So I guess people commenting, respond back. I even seen it was in the comments of another YouTuber, and it was Roberto Blake, and he's in there commenting, and he's got like a few 100,000 subscribers at least. He's been around for years, and he still goes in the comments. I don't know, just for fun, I guess. I don't know. 18 would be networking with creators. Of course, that's smart to do. And 19 would be collaborate. So those are kind of like my notes for that. And hopefully you can subscribe. I only need a few right now. I'm not asking for very much. I just like to check out Social Blade, which would be pretty cool, I think. And I'll do a video after this on vidIQ. They have like a little quick, wasn't quite as thorough as that YouTube 101 on Social Blade that they have for free, but yeah, it has a couple different things you can dive deep in. So yeah, and then maybe leave a comment that I got a couple ideas. I want to do Legos, I want to do drone footage, maybe some kind of top 10 list. Thought about doing maybe interviews. I don't know if I'd be too good at that, or if I want to do that. So if you can come up with any niches that I could do, just to start off with, a couple ideas, and I'm gonna give away some Legos that I've been buying. I'm gonna assemble them, build them, and then just give them away. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do. So you just go into one of my comments on the video, and I'll pick, I don't get any comments or very many likes right now, so chances of you getting it pretty good if you're into Legos. And then start just doing, they're fun to build, and why not make some fast build videos with that. Yeah, that's about it for right now. I'm trying to think what else. I'll have another video on my life, because it's made some big changes right now. I'm in this spot for a month, and then after that I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I need to find a job, like most people, kind of right on the edge right now. I don't know. You take risks in life, that's the thing. Doing contract type work, you could have a very stable, boring job, or you can take something more risky that can grow your career, but then if it doesn't work out, you should have took the last job. I made that mistake moving to a job that I thought would grow my career and turned out to be a mistake. So, but that's what you have to do in life. You have to take risks, right? Yeah, that's a big thing you gotta do in life. Take risks because you don't know what's gonna happen. Sit back and just let life go by. You know? And I don't see YouTube as a risk. I see it as fun and not treat it as money maker. I think because that's the wrong focus. You'll get burnt out and bored. But okay, and hopefully some of you guys will subscribe. Help me out, get me going. Thanks a lot.